Hello and welcome back to the channel. Producer Pete here, all things home studio. And today we're looking at Adobe Audition and how to remove background noise. Now, at the moment, I'm using the DBX compressor, which has an expander and a gate built into it, which does remove background noise. I've got a bit of background noise at the minute. I got the fan from my MacBook because, well, it's kind of working overtime at the minute. It is working on OBS, it's working on Audition and a whole load of different windows and programs that are open. So this is the background noise if I take this compression off. There we are, and that is the clean sound then of my microphone. I know it's not as good as what I had before. So that is the clean sound of the microphone and with all of the background noise in there as well. So what we'll do then, we will jump straight into Audition, and what we will do is record a little liner. This is me recording and we have background noise. As you can hear, my MacBook fan. Now we've left the fan in there just a little bit. So now we've done that, let's turn that back off again. So now we have the sound of the room noise here. Now what we want to do is take it round about maybe in the middle, highlight the bits where you're not talking and it's just the room noise, highlight that. Now go to effects and we're going to go to noise reduction, going to go to noise reduction process, and then once that screen opens we're going to go to capture noise print. So that has captured the bit that we've highlighted there. And actually straight away with those settings that are there, it has completely removed that. But we'll see how that is with the voice in as well. Sometimes it can be a little harsh. So if we just play that with those same settings. This is me recording and we have background noise. As you can hear, my MacBook fan. And that has almost completely... This is me recording and we have background noise. And let's hear that without. This is me recording and we have background noise. As you can hear, my MacBook fan. A lot of noise there from the fan. And let's do that again and let's turn that back on. Background noise. As you can hear, my MacBook fan. So a very simple way to remove the background noise. Of course, in the first step, it's always good to do it properly in the first place and make sure you have no background noise. But maybe if that's not your position and you do have a little bit of background noise, the easy step to do that through the noise reduction. Hopefully that video was of some help. If it was, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell for notifications on more videos.